They called it a home for mothers. But the walls knew better. And so did the earth. In Tuam, Ireland, 1925 to 1961. Catholic nuns ran a mother and baby home for women who got pregnant outside marriage. Sinners, they said. And their babies? Disposable. Over 800 infants died there. From malnutrition, disease, neglect. Some just disappeared. Where were the graves? In 2014, the truth cracked open, a mass grave in a disused septic tank. Bones. Skulls. Tiny spines. Buried without names. Without coffins. Without mercy. They prayed over their meals. Then starved the children. They called it redemption. But it smelled like rot. The church buried the truth. The ground never did. Echoes whispered from the mouth of the pit. Subscribe, or end up forgotten too.